I'm back. And I know this should be a sign that I should be coming back more frequent. I am already getting all of my Supreme Court stuff together. So I have been working. It's not fast enough. Anyway, I wanted to come to you all with a box opening. A box. That some of you will be, oh, this is interesting. They had it upside down. But I just want you to see how nicely wrapped it is. Okay, it's supposed to sit like this. The first launch, I wasn't able to get anything because it was sold out immediately. So I put my alarm to try to make sure I did not miss the second launch. And, I am in love with great packaging. So so this is the front. This is the side. And it opens like a well, yes, it opens like a magnet. Oh, heavy magnets. There's a card here. It says summer vibes. The honeybee is our signature serve of the season. A golden blend of Sir Davis, lemon and honey syrup that is as smooth as it is refreshing. Whether you mix these cocktails with friends as you get ready for the Cowboy Carter tour. Cowboy Carter tour is over. Or serving it up at your next summer soiree. This cocktail kit brings bold flavors and undeniable style. So, snap a picture and snag Sir Davis. And then this is what it should look like. And then they give you directions. We're going to put this back in the little folder here. And oh, it's foam. I love that. Nice, heavy, thick piece of foam. Okay. So it's a full-size bottle and it's honey syrup. This is- Oh, dehydrated lemon wheels. I'm struggling. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So good. So good. Can I go under? Yeah. And then we have uh, lemon juice. I wasn't about to. Hmm. Lemon juice can be very sour. Oh, that's why you have the honey syrup. And does this come out? Oh, it's a pen. So it does come out. It's like a lapel pin. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome piece of flair. Hashtag office space. This was this was gorgeous. It's very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Very big, very heavy. Bye.